Hello, good afternoon to you guys. This is currently DCG1FX, and currently I normally share my monthly and weekly view based on certain reasons of, or let's say, based on certain conditions of the market. So, currently, let me just cut it short and simple so that we can have enough time and observe what is likely to happen in the coming days. So, currently, just is that this is currently the monthly time frame, and we could see similar things happening on the monthly time frame as well. So let's just be patient and wait for. So now on the monthly time frame, we could see something similar around this side. We could see that price was, price had a breakout above 4618, and which is currently still holding price, which was the breakout that happened on 1st January. That was this year. So currently what we have to do now is that we have, now that we know the overall outlook on the chart, let's just drill into the 4-hour time frame and let me break down certain things for us to get familiar with it. So this is currently the weekly view, and we could see the weekly making a bearish candle, right, closing on a bearish candle, but there is nothing for us to panic based on what I'm observing right now, because we could see that even though we got a bearish candle, but price failed to close below the low, which means the low still holds above the breakout. So it's likely that the trend is likely to continue with the bias, which will begin later in the evening today at my time. So currently what are my expectations are as simple. So far as that price has given us a very healthy correction, what we have to do is that we have to just trade in the range of from 4,800 to 534. So what we have to do now is that we have to just be patient and wait. So now that we know what is likely to happen, let me just drill into the daily time frame and explain into detail what is likely to happen. So with the daily time frame, you could see that after the channel got broken out, we got a rejection from the breakout zone, which intended to help price for this whole massive movement with the buyers. And another thing too is that we could see that with the past 2 days, which was Thursday and Friday, which was the last days of the month, which was January, we could see that they made a healthy correction in order to rebalance price for a new bullish momentum. But we can't just buy and hold for now. But any buy that we get above the channel is likely that we hold on to that bias to see where it's likely that price takes us in the near future. So let's just be patient. But overall we already know that my swing high is currently at 7,000 per ounce on gold, which is likely around this side. Here is my current anticipation where I'm likely to expect price to hit in coming months, or let's say at the end of the year. So let me just break down and so let's just be patient and wait to see how the Asian session reacts to price. Then we know what to do for it. So now this is currently the daily time frame, and we could see that the breakout still holds price. So what we have to do is just have to follow the bias after the pullback that has been made, which was Friday. So let me drill into the 4-hour time frame as well. So on the 4-hour time frame, we could see that we had a very nice drop back to 4.715, which tend to hold price. So let's just be patient and wait. So let's just have the opportunity to